what to do at the gym for beginners, and how to choose the proper weight, the correct resistance to begin your fitness journey. I'll show you how. Hey guys, Jeremiah Stewart here, kinesiologist, and all that really means is that I use science to maximize your fitness results. If you find these videos helpful, make sure you hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to ensure that you never miss another rep. Now that you're at the gym, how do you pick a resistance that is comparable to your ability? And what I mean by that is everybody has their own strengths and weaknesses. So this is a way to self-assess yourself to find your starting point at the gym. Now there are two methods to find the proper resistance for you to begin with. Now the first method that we are going to address in this video is one of the most universally accepted methods for testing strength and power. This method uses a percentage of your 1 repetition max, also known as your 1RM. What is a 1RM? Your 1RM, or your 1 rep max, is the maximum amount of weight that you can lift for a specific workout for no more than 1 complete repetition. Then to find the correct weight that you can begin with, you will take a percentage of your 1 rep max. As a beginner with no strength coach or trainer present, I would recommend no more than 60% of your 1 rep max to begin with for your first 4 to 8 weeks. If that still sounds a bit confusing, here's an example followed by a step-by-step breakdown on how to find your 1 rep max. If I were only able to lift 100 pounds for 1 complete repetition, 100 pounds would be my 1 rep max. Assuming I was a beginner, the recommended percent of my 1RM is no more than 60%. My beginning weight would start at 60 pounds. Here are 4 steps to assess and set up your 1 rep max. Begin with a warm-up set in which the resistance is low enough to allow you to complete 5 to 10 repetitions easily. Rest for 1 minute. Perform another warm-up set with a resistance that will allow you to complete 3 to 5 repetitions. This usually means increasing the weight about 10 to 20 pounds or 5 to 10% of the previous set. Then rest for 2 minutes. Estimate another increase, 10 to 20 pounds or 5 to 10%, that will enable you to completely perform 2 or 3 repetitions. Perform those reps, then rest for 4 minutes. Estimate another load increase of 10 to 20 pounds or 5 to 10% that will allow only 1 repetition of the exercise to be performed with correct form. Then rest 2 to 4 minutes. If you were able to complete that rep, rest 2 to 4 minutes and then estimate another moderate increase in weight, 10 to 20 pounds or 5 to 10%, and repeat the trial. If you're unable to lift the weight, rest for 2 to 4 minutes, decrease the weight by 5 to 10 pounds, and repeat. Continue increasing or decreasing the weight as needed until you determine your actual 1RM. Now to maximize your 1 rep max, try to finish this process within 5 sets following your warm-up sets. If you are still uncomfortable using free weights, you can use the assisted machines and work your way up to the Smith machine and eventually to the free weight area. This is not the traditional way of doing this. The units and numbers will be slightly different, but you will still be able to maximize your results and your work effort at the gym. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure you check your 1RM every week to 2 weeks because you will get stronger, you will build that muscle endurance. It's always good to check in where you're at to modify your workouts and maximize your fitness results. Let us know if you're gonna implement this method into your workout by commenting yes or no below. And until next time, good luck on your fitness journey. We believe in you, we love you, God bless.